Hey everyone, this is Johnny on the Spot Small Engine Repair, located in the St. John area. Trying to YouTube to see if I can generate more business. I'm open 7 days a week. I go on location to wherever you are to fix your problem, and I think that makes me unique above the rest. And I been doing small engines since I was around 10 approximately, and I'm 58 now, so I've got more years of experience than, well, I got enough. And I treat your machine as I would mine. I do not charge an hourly rate. I do charge a gas fee for the location I'm heading, and that is all determined on where I'm going. So you don't have to load up your machine, do nothing. I fix it there. You pay for your parts if required. And you can get a hold of me at 506-721-4807. And I want to thank you and have a great day, and I hope to hear from you soon.